Te Karate o Mana, or Mana College, has been open since 1957. We're about 60% Māori and about 20–25% Pacifica. We've been a bring your own device school for a number of years, but that's been a bit of a challenge for us. The school's nearly 70 years old, so some of the areas in the school weren't getting Wi-Fi for some reason. It was in our marae space. All our kids that are in Te Pua there, our special immersion space in the school, were missing out on technology. It was like, it was frustrating.
I was constantly getting phone calls or emails, I've dropped out, why is this happening, why can't I connect? We didn't have connectivity, so for our families there wasn't the need for them even to purchase devices because they couldn't use them at school. Our graphic design students, they use Procreate, and that made it really difficult when things were lagging or dropping and we had students lose their work. Whereas now, because we can connect, we're able to use better tools in our classroom, we're able to provide them with opportunities to actually see what is out there and how they can use those things in the real world.
With that, bringing in new devices, bringing in new technology, making sure that all works, it's exciting. There's a lot of stuff that comes in behind that. And having staff on board that are able to facilitate that, having IT providers that are able to communicate and work that through with us. With Info-Hour in particular, they've been fantastic to work with. They're always open and lots of resource and trying to work through different problems.
Equity for our Māori students here is really important to us. If we can give them the opportunities to use technology, I think we could have some pretty cool Māori and Pacific innovators in the future. Having the network now, they are able to receive the same connectivity as the rest of the school. That's been really important for them to feel valued. We've also been able to now include another option in terms of Toi Māori for those students, and we're really excited that we're now purchasing iPads and some Apple Pencils as well so that they'll be able to use those in their design. We weren't able to do that before. If our students can't do it at home, we can make it happen for them here at school.
Now that we've got the technology block up and running, we've got lots of different exciting things that are happening in there. Creative design in particular, using the iPads all the time and the 3D printers. But also part of it is our building schools, and they're using technology to do that. It's a digital world, so we still need to develop our kids in that space. With the new technology block up, we're in a much better place.
Being able now to connect to websites for the students has been awesome. We've brought back our junior digital classes, and this year they've been using the Grok Academy to do their coding. Our art classes are appreciating it in terms of being able to research different artworks and find out what's out there in the world for them. Everything is just happening as it should be.